BFM, this is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions, Beats and Feasts. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. And today, we're going to do one of my favorite sandwiches of all time, a good old meatball sub. And we're going to do it on the Steelmadeusa griddle. Very easy, very quick. But hey guys, if you like this video, do me a favor. Just like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notification, and make sure you share the video. It's all free. So let's get started putting this together. So the supporting cast is very easy, very simple. First to start out with protein is these. I got some meatballs here that I had frozen. Took them out and thawed them. Perfect, good as new. And if you guys want to see how to make the meatballs, I'll tag it up there in the corner there, and you can check out that recipe. And then I got some onions and some bell pepper chopped up here. About a half an onion and about a half of a large bell pepper. May not even use all that bell pepper. And then I got, use your favorite sauce that you want. I'm actually trying a new one. So this is a Classico. And it's just a regular marinara sauce. It says it's Italian sausage from the store. Then I'm using a couple different types of cheeses. I'm using a provolone cheese. And then like a multi-blend Italian cheese. Got a few different types in it. And then your favorite bread that you like, your nice roll. This is the nice French roll that I got from the store. Very simple, easy. Let's head over to the Steelmade and get it started. So this is my Steelmadeusa griddle. If you didn't know, I love this thing. I've had it for a couple years. If you want one, it's very simple to get. Just click on the first link in my description. It'll take you to the Steelmade website. You just enter in, when you're ready to check out, you enter in 5 Big Tone. And I'll put it here on the screen as well. Just enter in that code and it'll give you 10% off of whatever you purchase. I love this thing and I know you will too, so go ahead and go get one. But first thing we're going to do is we're going to get our onions and bell pepper started. And you can see I got a cast iron skillet on top of the griddle. So we're going to cook those down in that griddle on top of the Steelmade griddle. Got a little bit of EVO in the pan, and we're just going to cook these down until they get translucent and nice and soft to add to our sauce. Alright, so I'm going to throw a little bit more, just a tad bit more EVO on the griddle, 2 places, and I'm going to put it on my meatballs. Forgive my arm, I apologize. And we're going to put 6 of them on here in each place. We're going to cook these up here. So it's going to take a minute to do so. Also a minute for my onions and bell pepper to get started. So I'll be back in a second. Right, so everything's cooking up nice. I'm going to flip the meatballs over. Got to get them on all sides here. That nice crust on them. And my onions and bell peppers, oh, it's cooking down nicely. It smells good, it smells good. Alright, we're going to let these cook a little bit longer and we'll be back. So our meatballs are cooking up, as you can see. And my onions and bell pepper are doing nicely back here. I'm going to pour in my sauce now. Alright, so we're going to let that cook down for a little bit. Get that jar taste out of it. And I'm going to give it a taste right away because I want to see if I need to add anything to this. I'm going to add a little bit of Italian seasoning to this. I think it just needs a little bit of Italian seasoning. There we go. And I am also going to add just a little bit of chili pepper. Or chili powder, sorry. Just a little. We're going to stir this up in here. And I'm going to bring these meatballs over to the middle here, especially the ones that are on the front eye. I think they're just about cooked through. But putting them in the middle keeps them nice and warm. And they'll cook a little bit. I'm going to bring these from up top down to the bottom eye. Them to cook through. Alright. The meatballs, as you can see, got a nice crust on them. I'm just going to place those into my sauce. These are looking good too. Place these in my sauce. Turn these off. Matter of fact, I'm going to leave it on just about medium. And I am going to move my cast iron skillet over to the large spot there. Alright, we're going to mix these up in here. Let them finish cooking in the sauce. Absorb some of that flavor. And in the meantime, over here on the other side, I'm going to put my bread on. But we're going to let these cook. About 5-7 minutes. Meatballs are done. Bread is toasted. So what I'm going to do is on my bread, I'm going to open it up like this. I'm going to line it with a little bit of provolone cheese. Just like that. And then I'm going to come back around and I'm going to grab some meatballs. We're going to pile them in here. Don't be like Subway. Don't be skimpy on your meatballs. I'm going to fit one more in here. Just right there. Alright, just like that. We're going to come back over top of it with some of the other cheese that we got. Oh yeah, look at that. Just like that. Push down on them just a little bit. Turn my heat up just a tad on that eye. And what I'm going to do, I don't think this is big enough, but I'm going to place this over top as much as I can. I'm going to pour a little water around it. Get that cheese to melt a little bit more. Let's give it about a couple minutes. Take that off and I'll plate it up for you. Oh man, this looks so good. I can't wait to get that bite, guys. There you go. Homemade meatball sub, my favorite sandwich. I can't even wait any longer. I'm going to get that bite. Homemade meatball sub, right at home on the Steelmadeusa griddle, guys. Enough talking, I got to get a bite. It looks too good. This may get messy. I got my paper towel waiting. This is a must try at home. You must try it. If you want one of those griddles, just click on the link in my description. Put in 5 Big Tone as your product code. Get the 10% off. Hey guys, if you liked the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video, and hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.